go, guys. Me, Joe, Nige and Lisa are out for a ride today. The forecast is a little bit on and off rain potentially, but we're going to head towards the coast where it says it's going to be better. So we're just going over the Denby Moors, and then we're going to head over the Pentrafoilus to around Blaena towards Barmouth, I think, and try coming down the coast that way. So stay tuned for some lovely views if the weather holds out. Going nice and steady because these average speed cameras. Can see the mountains all right, so that's not too bad. It looks a little bit daunting over into the mountains there, but the lower section where the sun's or brightness is coming through looks nice, doesn't it, on the mountains? Fair play. Yeah, it's a single track like this here, but and a bit of gravel, so you do have to be a little bit careful. A lot of sheep loose as well, but it's nice and steady. They do run out on you, these old sheep. Ooh, I hit the water then and got a wet foot. It's nice though, isn't it, round here? Nah, it's right on your doorstep, this as well, Joe. Aled was the first one, yeah. It goes down into the ravine to our right, and it comes rushing off there. You see it goes down there, as smart as, dead picturesque like. Yeah, it's dead cool, and you can walk down. So the lovely little road. Nice, the sun's coming out. Just that little bit of sun doesn't half make a difference. Brightens it all up, doesn't it? Yeah, it's lovely. We're very lucky, isn't it, where we live. You know, exactly, it's on our doorstep, isn't it? Long, nice ones, like. You can't beat when you get consistent, long, slow sweeps. And it, like I say, you don't have to go fast, but it's just nice. Another bend. Long sweeping hanging ones, lovely. Out of one, straight back into another. Load of dirt in the middle of the road there, guys. Look at that, innit? Stunning. You get all the mountains there. Absolutely beautiful. Trevan, back end of Snowdon over there, all sorts. And rain. Oh no! Dropping down into Llanrwst now. Absolutely gorgeous views though. Keep an eye on the road as well though. Love it when we're under the trees, it always looks dead smart. There's dark clouds glooming. And you've never been here. You've never been through here on this road. It's lovely, isn't it? Yeah. It's surprising. We always go further afield rather than staying. Obviously we do now on the bikes and stuff, but it's we've got some beautiful things around us. Yeah, Dolwadellin Castle up on the hilltop there. Down comes the rain again. The old slate quarries. Gwynedd, Meirionydd. It's where they filmed First Night here. The baddies stayed in the caves. A little bit wetter. We're heading towards Harlech on this road now. And then but this is a lovely road. You got the estuary comes up on your right in a bit. Looks nice, doesn't it? Bit of the estuary there. And yeah. But if you come in from Portmaddock, you come over that bridge. It used to be a toll bridge, the one in the distance that you can see over there. You used to have to pay to get over that one, but you don't have to pay now. But it's a nice little area. Let's hope it stays like this, sunny now by the coast. Maybe find a cafe in Harlech or something. There we got Harlech Castle up on the hilltop there. And the forecast has turned out okay by the coastline, so that's nice. Be time to stop to get a brew or something somewhere. So stay tuned to see what we have for lunch. How lovely does that look? Yeah, that's the Shell Island over there. Wow. It's lovely when the sun shines off the sea, doesn't it? Have these fish and chips. Looks lovely out there though. It's like a scene from Miami Vice. No, Hawaii 5-0 in it. That's the one. Fish and chips to be had. Cracker. Get them before they go cold. Well, the chips are okay. And we're going to head now. We're going to try and head over the railway bridge over to Fairbourne. Wanted to do it for a long time, so hopefully it's a bit quieter and we can get over. Let's have a look. Is Lisa down, do you think? Let's go and do the railway bridge then. Oh, sorry. Cheers for that. Thank you. This is a first for all of us. It's all been freshly painted as well. Looks well, doesn't it? It's had a right good refurbishment. Thank you. This is a yeah. But it's ideal, isn't it? You wouldn't want to do it at the weekend, like, be busy, like. I'm going to pull up and try and get a picture. Once these people go. Happy days. Thank you. Try smiling. It does help. Jesus, what is wrong with people? It's not raining, so you know what I mean. Thank you. Yeah, that's it. That's how it should be. Pleasant. We're all here to experience it all. And lovely that. That's one of my bucket lists ticked off. It's a little narrow here, but that's alright. The Maudak Trail. Another beautiful section of coastline in North Wales. Looks beautiful out there now. Look at that. It could be anywhere, couldn't you? I've always wanted to stay at that campsite just directly in front. Yeah, it's quite a nasty turn in to get to it, and then you go underneath the railway bridge. But I used to go climbing there. It's Beach Rocks it's called, and a bit further along the seafront there's a good section of crags that you can climb on. Welcome to the honey shop. Get the lovely Welsh honey ice cream. Let's have it. That was a lovely ice cream. So let's head up the Cadder Pass again. Let us know, guys, what you think about the sound of this new exhaust. It's it sounds quite good on it. A few pops and bangs when I back off, but outside of that, it's not over noisy. So the valley up in front is looking a little bit gloomy. We might hit a bit more rain. Let's hope not, but you never know. Gunolwyn, that's it. Gunolwyn. We're just coming up to Tallyllyn Lake now on our left, which is beautiful. Quite an iconic little place. You see pictures of it everywhere. For all good reason, because it is very picturesque. This section of road is awesome as well. In my awesomeness anyway, because it just follows the the lakeside. There you have Tallyllyn. Back on the old Cadder Pass. Never get bored of this view though. So there's Joe on his new CB500X. He's put a new exhaust on that, and well, new back box. It sounds and looks good. He's looking pretty good on it himself. Looks more suited to it than the Hornet he had before, and I do like the green. Do like that. It's handling alright, isn't it, Joe? The bike's handling okay. He's loving it, good. Always nice having a new bike. Yes. Let's see whether I can catch him up on his super fast Rebel. No, on his CBX. So, with a slight change in plan, we're not going straight back. We're going to go over the Devil's Staircase. Just to add, Joe's not been over this route, so we're going to take this in before heading back and do something a little different for him. Caution, rockfall. And the cattle grid. Oh, that's a nice waterfall. Lovely. This is a nice add to the end of the ride. We're right up on the hillside now. I think it opens up for a view in a minute. Yes, look at that. This is the Devil's Staircase. Nice, isn't it? I don't know if we get a photo there, like or not. Really nice though. find somewhere to get a picture in a bit. At the top there's a viewpoint. Up Sheepy and Lambsy. What a view, eh? What a view. It's lovely at the tops here. We'll catch the others up. There they are at the top. He's doing his off-roading again. He likes doing that. He comes down that rock face, you watch him. Yeah. Go on then. He knows he wants to show off. I hope he don't fall off. He's done it before. But fair play with the DCT as well. That takes some... Oh no, is he going round? Oh no, he's getting off. Oh, he's getting off. Well, I don't know, something, because it's a steep drop off those rocks. If you haven't done anything, the front can go a fair bit, can't it? I think he's just taking pictures of us. He's going for it. Get those feet up on the pegs once he's no going out of giving up now. Off he goes. Woof. Yeah. Ooh. They've dug a rut out at the bottom, so he bottomed out a bit. I didn't even, yeah, that, you get the front end in there, you're straight over the handlebars. That's alright. Happy days.
The front brig's got easier.
As well, yeah, it can be a pain, can it? Yeah. Nice though, the Bwlch groes, the Devil's Staircase. That would be nasty, innit? Certainly on your front, because you did not expecting the front to go.
Down there, the front brake will go.
Go, and it'll just, yeah. You've just got to commit, haven't you? So, my new tyres doing alright. New chain, new exhaust. I'm happy with it. Right, should we head off then, guys and girls? All family members? Yes, you would have bottomed out. Yeah. We're hooking a left here, like. You must be knackered. It's nice to go straight on as well to Dinas Mawdy. Oh, road ahead closed. Now, sometimes we can get through, but bugger. Hang on. Well, we're gonna give it a go. We can always turn round. Look at that, it's a lovely stunning view down there, don't it? Welcome to Powys. Hopefully it's not a massive landslide like very wet on the bend here. No, they'll be going steady then. I'll stop at the top here. I should hopefully see them coming over. Hopefully she hasn't slipped. I'll look back now. Yeah? The old lambs. Go on, calm down, calm down. Little brown hooves. So we've had a cracking ride out today. Turned out great. A little bit of rain in the beginning, but nothing bad. We've got our chips, we've got our ice cream, and the weather's stayed lovely, and we're on our way back now, not far from Bala and all that. So I'll finish filming here now. So take care until we see you on the next one, which may be next Friday, who knows. Take care, see you all again. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and like and all that thing. Bye for now.